Yeah. Hopefully that woke you up, right? No, man, here we are. Jordan from Style vs Trend. Thank you for tuning in. Here we go with another training review. And it's another Nike box, man. Okay, so obviously Nike can be showing us love, right? They've been showing us love. Not as much love as I want to, because like I would like them to. Because as you know, right, the guys tell me about the L's we get. They don't tell me about the wins, right? And there's some L's. I'm so gutted we didn't get. But anyway, Nike have got, we got another Nike. Here we go. Air Jordan. Oh, Air Jordan 3. Do you know what blew me off, right? Because obviously, like this colouring, I'm thinking, what colour? What is that? What is that? And then when it said retro, I'm like, And then when you see the Jumpman blue, you're thinking, oh, those bad boys. Excited for these, really am excited for these. So here we are with the Retro 3. Do you know, I didn't ever think. It's funny when you see things in the pictures, certain things just surprise you. I thought that would be flush leather or some stitching. It's actually like it's a rubber, isn't it? Like a 3D rubber stuck on. Looks so good. Especially, if you spinning it around, looks really, really good. Okay, so here we are. These are the first pairs of Jordan 3s I've ever held, as in like in my own hands, like, and I like it. I like the retro feel of it. You know what I'm on about. I like the retro feel of it. Anyway, let's go on. So again, semi-premium leather. It's not like the ALYXs, but it's good enough, right? Good leather here, but then it's a different. Yeah, now this is the level that you become accustomed to, right, when you buy a pair of Nikes. This little slightly cheapy leather here, but then running along here, you got the color which comes from the box. On here, this like this. I don't know. If I look at it, I just think of. Yeah, I just think of like the pavement. Yeah, like tarmac. So maybe that's the inspiration, right? So it's the tarmac, playing out the basketball hoops in the yard, the tarmac, playing it grimy. Yeah, yeah. And then you've got this, the undersole here, which is a lot of grooves. And I'm just trying to think, why that is. Why would you want grooves there? You know what I mean? I don't know, it's really weird. It's not really weird. These are obviously basketball trainers. I don't know. Anyway. It's the little things, guys, you know me by now, right? It's the little things that get me excited. I love the fact that you've got the blue inside the shoelaces, like the shoelace goes like blue. I love that. You got these touches of grey here, there, nice soft leather, breathable holes in for breathable. When you get all sweaty in your socks and stuff, and then you've got the touch of the blue on the tongue, and then obviously the Jumpman, and then the blue going around the sides here. I love that. It's predominantly white with splashes of blue. Looks good. Can't fault it. But the weirdest thing, right? To me, it looks like the laces are like a cream and not white. It's fucking freaking me out. It just doesn't sit right. It really doesn't sit right. It just throws me off. So I'm even thinking, okay, if I do cop these, I'll probably get some grey laces or something, just to run them over the top. Some electric blue, yeah. Get some blue on there. Probably get that, right? To run it over. And that, I think, will just add a little bit of character to it. Because although these are the retro and these are cool and these are simplistic, you just want that little bit of that sense of difference from it. But hey, these are cool, man. These are absolutely cool. Yeah, Jordan on the bottom there, pretty standard undersole from all the Air Jordans around. They're all sort of like the same, focused on the heel, the ball of your foot. These are good, okay. The little squishy test, yeah, it feels okay. Feels a bit moldy like, how it feels on your feet. We don't know, we will now. What are you thinking? How you feeling? Cop, drop. You know what? Just the other day, when the sun was out, I don't know about you guys, but in England, it's been absolutely horrible. You know, for the biggest part of like 2 weeks, man, it's just been absolutely dog poo. But anyhow, just the other day when it was nice, I had these shorts, and I'm like, man, I needed a pair of like mid, white sneakers. And all the collection I have, I don't have any plain white sneakers. Would you believe that? Like mid-length, mid-height, sorry. And these, I think would have done the trick with that outfit as well. And I was just like, damn it. So, will I cop these? Yes, I would cop them. Only just to have another pair of shoes to go with a different sort of outfit, maybe so. But I like the simplicity of the design. You know how I am about it. I love the splashes of blue everywhere. I love the semi-premium leather on the upper sole. They are comfortable. Obviously they're comfortable. I don't know any pair of Jordans that are not comfortable. If you've come across a pair and they were your size, not if the 2 sizes too small or 4 sizes too big, but if they were your size, please let us know. And if you didn't find it comfortable, because I really want to research it. I want to go buy them, I want to try them, I want to test it out, because I haven't come across one just yet. Cop defo for me, defo for you, it has to. I've not been privileged enough to be able to have a whole load of threes, but I might start with these. And that's it from me. See you soon.